Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to clear app data on any Poco phone. Now there are two methods to clear the app data on any Poco phone. Now the first method is to tap and hold on the app icon. Now from here, just tap on the eye icon. Now from here, just tap on clear data. Now from here, tap on clear all data. Now just tap on OK. Now this is the first method. Now the second method is to open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps. Now in the search bar, just search the name of the app you want to clear the data. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on clear data and tap on manage space. Now from here, just tap on clear all data. Now just tap on OK. And this is how you can clear app data on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.